guys, it's me Zai Pawarandhir and welcome back to Reads and Travels. I hope you all are doing fine and don't worry. And let me tell you one thing, try to listen our government authorities and try to keep calm. Everything will be good and we together can get through this situation. Okay, so coming back to this video, today I am going to show you how to make raita. Now without wasting a time, let's get into it. Here we have 2 cucumbers, then we have tomato. I'm using the small tomatoes, but you can use one medium-sized tomato. Then we have onion. Then we have cilantro, 1 green chili. Then we have 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Then we have ghee. And last but not least, we have cumin seeds. Then we are going to peel and finely chopped cucumber. When you are done with chopping of cucumber, take that out in one large bowl. Then you have to cut tomatoes. I am using here small tomatoes because somehow I don't have the medium size of tomato, but you can use one medium size of tomato for this. Then after, I am chopping onion. I am only using this much onions because I don't like the taste of onion that much in the raita, so it's up to you, like how do you like it. Here I am using only half of the chili, so you have to finely chop the chili as well. If you don't want raita spicy, then you can skip the chili. Now after that, freshly chopped coriander, and you have to mix all this thing. After some time, tomato and cucumber will start losing out some water. At that time, if you want to add, then you can add some more of yogurt. Basically, there is no specific measurements for raita, so you can mix and match all the things and you can make your own raita. This video series is for beginners, so try to share with your kids or your friends or relatives who don't know how to cook. I will appreciate that. Now next we are preparing for tadka. For that, gas is on medium flame, and now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. When ghee is hot enough, add only cumin seeds, and when you can hear the crackling noise, turn off the gas. So here I have taken out raita in serving bowl, so I am adding this tadka in this bowl and your raita is ready to serve then. So guys, if you like this recipe, then give me a big fat thumbs up, and if you want to know any other such recipes, then let me know in the comment section below. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And in my next video, I am going to show you how we can freeze our food if we are facing lockdown for next 15 days. So stay tuned for that, and until my next video, tumcha amcha annadata sukhi bhava.